Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia 2.4 and AirPods Pro, and I will show you how we can connect this to the device. At the first, we have the open notification bar on our Nokia, then click and hold the Bluetooth icon. When we are in the Bluetooth settings, we have to open charging case of our AirPods Pro. Then we have to click and hold this button on the back of the charging case. I hope that you can see it right here. So let's click and hold this button, and when this indicator starts blinking on a white color, it means that the AirPods are in the pairing mode. So we can easily remove our finger after that. So let's make it right now. Then on our smartphone we have to tap to pair the device. And as you can see, AirPods pop on the available devices list, so just simply tap to connect, accept pair, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. As you can see, it was very easy. I hope that I'll help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.